Welcome to section 1 of the rock and roll piano course. In this section you will learn a simple but great sounding pattern in order to accompany yourself or a singer in a band. So let's jump right into it. This is what you will learn in this section. If you just started playing the piano or are new to this style of piano playing, this seems difficult, but don't worry about it. We will break this down, we will slow this down for you, so you will learn exactly what to play. So let's take a look at the left hand. We are in the key of C, as this is the most convenient and comfortable key to learn in. And this is the C major triad using the notes C, E, and G. And the fingers I use are the pinky on the C, middle finger on the E, and the thumb on the G. And let me show you the pattern you will use for this first example. C, E, G, E, C, E, G, E, C, E, G, E, C. Practice this over and over until you feel comfortable and are able to play this in rhythm and at ease. The best way of learning how to play in rhythm is to utilize the metronome, which I highly recommend everybody doing. So let's go ahead and take a look at this pattern we learned and set the speed to 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're able to play this, let's say 10 times without making any mistakes, go ahead and take it to the next level and set it to 90 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go ahead and set it to 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're able to play this at 140 beats per minute, you'll be ready for the next step. 1, 2, 3, 4.